Skin is universal, but yet completely different from person to person. The way you approach it cannot be arbitrary. Skin has tone, it has color and hues, it has texture, both good and bad, flattering texture, texture you want to keep, texture you want to modify, you want to enhance. And I have to make sure that I'm in total control of that. Skin is absolutely a communication tool because the way you modify it, the way you enhance it, the way you perfect it, all that comes together to send your message. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you my obsession on skin work, and more importantly, how it can apply to your portrait work, regardless of what you shoot. If you shoot human beings, there's skin. If there's skin, you need to know how to address it to get the exact looks that you want. Because everybody has a different way of conveying their presence, and I shoot a lot of models, and maybe you shoot portraits of high school seniors, or weddings, or babies, it doesn't matter. But that person that you're capturing, when you go to retouch them, it's a responsibility. So in this tutorial, we want to make sure you have everything you need. I've included all the raw files, all the actions, the proprietary plugin that I developed, everything you need to empower you to really take your skin level up, as well as all the knowledge, explaining it in the most rudimentary, straightforward way I can, because I want you to remove any barriers, any excuses from taking your skin level to that next level, to that commercial style that I know you want, because that's why you're here. And with this tutorial, you're gonna be able to do that. It's so important to me, absolutely vital, that I found a way to convey all this information about what I've developed and what I've learned, the mistakes that I've made, and the things that I've created in a workflow for skin retouch that not only I'm excited to do, but I'm proud of. Because this is information that I think anyone can benefit from if they shoot portraiture. And that's why with ProEDU, I've created, quite honestly, the tutorial of my dreams, the one I always thought I wanted to produce to share with everyone else, so you too can take your work to that next level.